Now in its third generation of ownership, Hydrothermal was established and remains a company of passionate individuals. Jim Zeiser, company president and CEO, let his dedication for his family and his country guide him to a new career path.
Almost immediately after getting married, I had an amazing opportunity to live in Germany, working in the automotive industry for 3 years. In the middle of a meeting, we were interrupted with a frantic statement that our country was being attacked. I had time to just think about the family tradition, and relationship was something that I craved. I built a plan around a family business because I wanted to continue that tradition. I worked with my father, and through the years we successfully transitioned the business to the next generation. And today I feel really good about the privilege to run a family business. It's hard work, but we have a lot of fun as well. It's a privilege to collaborate with my father in this family business. Together we sometimes find notes or reports from my grandfather. I guess a bit of nostalgia and thanks that he had this vision as well. I hope to have the same opportunity working with my children in business and pass this great company to the fourth generation.
Hydrothermal's passion is contagious and extends to the company's customers. Doug Frederick from Badger State Ethanol has been collaborating with Hydrothermal on multiple projects over the last 5 years. The collaboration between Badger State and Hydrothermal has helped both companies expand their experience and their knowledge.
As our relationship with Hydrothermal grew, we were given the opportunity to collaborate with them on several research and development projects. Badger State has always been an innovative company, so we were open to trying new equipment. It is exciting because we were one of the first companies in the industry to try out this technology. From there, we worked with Hydrothermal to adjust the equipment to fit our production goals. The collaboration between our companies has been great. We are both passionate about producing a good product. The enthusiasm that Hydrothermal has for its solutions and their focus on customer satisfaction is undeniable. My staff really enjoys interacting with their staff to create and improve, and we enjoy ourselves in the process.
Passion can extend beyond one's work into one's personal hobby. Andre Volheim is a perfect example of this. He used his love of music to form the Hydrothermal band with his fellow coworkers.
Music has always been a part of my life. I play guitar for over 30 years in a variety of bands. Recently, during an impromptu lunch jam with a few employees, our president walked by and asked us to kick off a company meeting with some music. 15 minutes later, the band Hydrotherapy was unveiled. As the scheduler at Hydrothermal, I likened my role to conducting the orchestration and production, to put it into music terms. When all is going as planned, there is a harmony of activities. It's music to my ears.
For a few lucky individuals, a personal hobby can become their job. One individual is Sean O'Rear.
Beer is sexy. It's emotional. People connect with it. I love working in a brewery because it combines my love of problem solving with creating a craft product that people really want. Working in a brewery is not easy though. It's difficult to make the same product over and over and over again when the equipment you rely on isn't energy efficient, you can't control temperature well, you can't make a wonderful beer over and over and over again if you can't rely on the equipment that produces it.
I joined Hydrothermal wanting to fix these problems. Temperature control, burn on. Well, the Silverline became the answer. It's the most advanced continuous heating system on the planet, and it's going to revolutionize the food and beverage world. Why? Because it's faster, it's smaller, it cleans better on the inside and the out, and it does not sacrifice product quality. We created the Silverline's tagline based around our company philosophy, what's best for the food? As you can see, Silverline is the answer.
Another individual who was able to turn a personal hobby into their job is Sean Bird.
I developed an interest in paper making early on after I toured the pulp mill where my father worked. What I still find fascinating is that the same tree can be transformed into tissue paper or countertops, depending on how it is processed. I received a bachelor's degree in paper science and eventually earned a PhD in chemical engineering. My wife Cindy and I actually made the parchment paper used in our wedding invitations in my college apartment. We had a small ceremony in Hawaii and wanted the invitations to look like they were washed ashore from a deserted island. At Hydrothermal, I enjoy working with paper manufacturers every day, helping them achieve their processing goals.
Hydrothermal is a company with enthusiastic and passionate employees who love what they do. Feel free to contact one of us to discuss any upcoming water and slurry heating projects.